Welcome to Getting Started with Build Projects. In this short video, we're going to show you how you can utilize the messaging functionality within your projects. Navigate to the left tab and choose Messages. Here you'll be able to see any pre-existing messages you already have, or you can start a new conversation. Click Add to start a new conversation. Here you can choose either a new direct message or a new group message. With a direct message, you will choose a specific member within your account with whom you're going to message. Alternatively, if you wanted to communicate with subbies or clients, you would choose a new group message. Here you'll choose a new group name, and you might choose an appropriate name and assign it to a project. So I've chosen Project 1 for the group name. Here I'm going to choose exactly who I'm going to add to this project, so the members and the guests. They will then have assigned roles within here. You can find out more information about the roles beneath. At this stage you can choose which project you wish to assign it to, or alternatively you can leave this blank. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to assign it to Project 235 Single Story Extension and create. Here you'll have a view of the entire message. Using the three buttons for more options, you can choose to mark this conversation as a favourite, turn off notifications, hide, reassign ownership, or archive. If I wanted to archive this will then hide from your left-hand view, but can be refound using the slider at the bottom of your screen. As we assign this message to Project 235, I will navigate to that project, and you'll see that the messages are now showing up within the project. From here, you can open and type in any messages that you wish to, or add any files. You can still favourite this conversation, adjust your notifications, or add other people to this conversation at any time. There are several ways in which you can do the exact same thing. If you wish to start a new conversation, you can use the Add Conversation button to start a new relevant conversation with different people regarding the same project.